Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to use Marvel Rivals Tracker. Using a tracker for Marvel Rivals can help you monitor match statistics, player performance, rankings, and gameplay progress. Most trackers work through websites, desktop apps, or account linking systems that collect public game data. Setting up a tracker correctly on Windows makes it easier to review your stats and improve your gameplay over time. To begin, open your web browser on your Windows computer and search for a trusted Marvel Rifles tracker website or app. Visit the tracker platform link in the description below and create a free account by following the prompts like doing an email verification and CAPTCHA if registration is required, but I do recommend to have one. After that, launch the Marvel Rivals at least once so your account information becomes available online. As mentioned before, make sure to sign in to the tracker website using the supported login method if account linking is required. Now, search for your in-game username or player ID on the tracker platform. Just go to the Marvel's Rival. Now to track your stats, click on your profile icon in the top right, then click your UI ID to copy it. Then paste it here and click enter. If no show, click on respawn at home and just use your username instead and click enter. Choose your correct profile from the search results if multiple accounts appear. Then allow the tracker site or app to load your public match history and gameplay statistics. Open the profile dashboard to view information such as match history and hero performance. Check ranking sections to monitor your competitive progress and leaderboard placement. Review hero statistics to see your most played characters, win rates, and damage performance. Use match history tools to compare reset games and identify areas that need improvement. Bookmark the tracker website or install its desktop app if the service offers one for easier access. Then refresh your profile after matches so the tracker updates with your newest game data. Continue monitoring your stats regularly to track improvement, compare performance with other players, and adjust your gameplay strategies over time. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.